Welcome back. Now let us solve a few CBSE questions from quadratic equation. I am giving you one question. If minus 5 is a root of the quadratic equation 2x square plus px minus 15 equal to 0, and the quadratic equation p of x square plus x plus k equal to 0 has equal roots, find the value of k. How you can do is, first look at the initial part of the question, that is minus 5 is a root of the quadratic equation. Please remember there are two unknown things, p and k. First equation 2x square plus px minus 15 equal to 0 has a root as minus 5. What does it mean? If you put minus 5 in the equation 2x square plus px minus 15, then the total becomes 0. That is the meaning of root of the equation. That is, instead of x, you put minus 5. So let us try 2x square. That is 2 into minus 5 the square. That is, I have put minus 5 instead of x, plus p into x is minus 5 minus 15. This should become 0. That is the meaning. Again, I am repeating, that is the meaning of minus 5 is the 0 of the equation. Open this. 2 into minus 5 square becomes 25. 2 into 25. So this part will become 50. P into minus 5 becomes minus 5p. Minus 15 is equal to 0. 50 minus 15, you can see it is 35. So 35 minus 5p equal to 0. Rearranging, minus 5p equal to 35, you shift to the other side, becomes minus 35. So minus minus becomes cancelled. So you are getting p is equal to 35 divided by 5, that is equal to 7. So first part is obtained. 7 is the value of p. Now you have to find out the value of k. You have already obtained p is equal to 7. And what is the second part saying? Quadratic equation p of x square plus x plus k equal to 0 has equal roots. First of all, you have to convert in the form of quadratic equation, this one. So if you take this p of x square plus x, how will you open it? P into x square, that is px square, plus p into x, that is px, plus k equal to 0. Now this is in the form of quadratic equation. What is the general formula of quadratic equation? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Hence, instead of a, you can see it is p. So a is equal to p. Instead of b, it is again p. So b is equal to p. What is in c? C is equal to k. For equal roots, what is the condition? That is, b square minus 4ac should be equal to 0. That is a condition for equal roots of a quadratic equation. Remember, b square minus 4ac should be equal to 0. This is the condition for equal roots. For equal roots, b square minus 4ac equal to 0. Therefore, what is b? You can see it is p square minus 4 into a is again p into c is k. E should be equal to 0. Now we have already got p is equal to 7. So it is 7 square minus 4 into 7 into k equal to 0. Now 7 square is 49 minus 28k is equal to 0. Rearrange, 49 is equal to 28k, or k is equal to 49 divided by 28. Both of them are multiples of 7, so cancel with the 7, you are getting 7 by 4. Therefore, k is equal to 7 by 4. So you got the value of k. Now another question of similar type is, if the quadratic equation x square minus 2 into k plus 1x plus k square equal to 0 has real and equal roots, find the value of k. Now, what is the condition for real and equal roots? Real and equal roots I already mentioned earlier, that is b square minus 4ac should be equal to 0. This is real and equal roots condition. For that, here your quadratic equation is x square minus 2 into k plus 1x plus k square equal to 0. You remember your general formula is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Comparing these two, you can get x square, that means 1x square, that is a is equal to 1. What is b? This is bx, that is b is equal to minus of 2 into k plus 1. And what is c? The last one, c is equal to k square. Now applying in this condition for real and equal roots, b square minus 4ac equal to 0. b square, you can see b is minus 2 into k plus 1 the whole square, because b square, we want b square minus 4 into a is 1 into 1 into what is c? c is equal to k square into k square equal to 0. Open it. When you are opening, it becomes minus 2 square becomes 4 into k plus 1 whole square minus 4k square equal to 0. Now open k 4 into k plus 1 whole square is k square plus 2 into k into 1, 2 into k into 1. This is a plus b whole square formula, a square plus 2ab plus b square, that is 1 square minus 4k square equal to 0. So open 4k square plus 4 into 2k, that is 8k, plus 4 into 1 square, that is 4, minus 4k square equal to 0. You know 4k square minus 4k square will cut. So 8k plus 4 equal to 0. Rearranging 8k equal to plus 4 you shift minus 4. So k is equal to minus 4 divided by 8. Both multiples of 4, cut, cancel it, 1 and 2. So k is equal to minus 1 by 2. This is your answer. Now one more question I have added in this video, that is find two consecutive odd positive integers, sum of whose squares is 290. So you are given two consecutive odd positive integers. Odd positive integers, as you know, it is like 1, 3, 5, 7, etc. See, I shall write here 1, 3, 5, 7, etc. Here if you check, you can see second positive integer will be 2 more than the first. Third will be 2 more than the second. See, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. That means if you assume x as the first odd integer, then the second odd integer will be x plus 2. Now, as per the question, you are given sum of whose squares is 290. So you are assumed the numbers are consecutive integers as x and x plus 2. So you have to write earlier, that is, let x and x plus 2 be the odd positive consecutive integers. So therefore, as per the question, squares, you have to square both of them and then add. Now it is sum of squares of the consecutive odd positive integers. That is given to be 290. 290. Now if you open it, see here open x square, then this one you open using a plus b whole square formula, a square, that is x square, plus 2ab. 2 into x into b is 2 plus b square, that is 2 square, equal to 290. Combine these two, it becomes 2x square plus 2 into 2, 4x plus 4. You shift this 290 also to the left side, it becomes minus 290 equal to 0. Now it is 2x square plus 4x. These two combine, you get minus 286 equal to 0. Now you can cancel 2 throughout because all are multiples of 2. So you are getting x square plus 2x minus 143 equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. You can solve it by different methods which I earlier discussed in the previous videos. Everything is you go for quadratic formula. What is quadratic formula? X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4 is c whole divided by 2a. Here you can see, if you want to proceed further, b square minus 4ac should be obtained. Now, as per the general equation, ax square, that is a is 1, plus bx, that is b is 2, and c is minus 143. So I shall write here a is equal to 1x square, that is a is 1, plus bx, that is b is equal to 2, c is equal to minus 143. Now putting in this equation, x is equal to minus b. What is b? b is 2, so minus b is minus 2 plus or minus square root of b square. B square means 2 square, that is 4, minus 4 into a is 1 into c is minus 143. So that minus and this minus together, it becomes plus 143 whole divided by 2 into a is 1. It is equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of 4 plus. Now you multiply 4 into 143, 4 into 3, 12, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16 plus 1, 17, 4 1s are 4 plus 1, that is 5, whole divided by 2. It is equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of 576 whole divided by 2 equal to minus 2 plus or minus 576 root is 24. So 24 divided by 2. That is equal to minus 2 plus 24 by 2 or minus 2 minus 24 by 2. Now this is how much? 24 minus 2 is 22 by 2, that is equal to 11, and this can be cancelled. Why? Because it will be negative, because here are given odd positive integers. So therefore negative value you can cancel. So you got the first value, x is equal to 11. Therefore what is the second value? So first value x is equal to 11. Second value is 11 plus 2, that is 11 plus 2 means 13. So therefore you are getting x is equal to the two numbers as 11 and 13. So the final answer 11 and 13 are the required positive odd integers. That is it for the day. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like it and share. Also don't forget to press the bell button so that you can get the next videos when it is ready. Thank you.